So you also own multifamily buildings, apartment buildings. We've already discussed this. Can you share any tips or ideas for somebody who wants to get started in multifamily? They may have a single family rental and they think they want to go big. Any tips with that? Or maybe they don't have anything.
Yeah, well, so there's like the first one is you're going to learn a lot on your first one,
Mm-hmm.
and so buying it right's important, but it also costs you a lot of time if you wait to purchase. So anyway, so I guess we're going for is start with duplexes, fourplexes, and go from there and keep growing bigger.
Perfect. Okay, no, that's great. I'm going to ask you one last question. We've got about a minute left here on the show, and it's about mindset. So in order to accomplish massive success, your mind has to be right. You can't be a negative thinker and still continue to press forward. What do you do to keep your mind strong?
You know, something I repeat to my kids and to myself, and everything will work out.
Yeah.
I don't get caught up in a moment.
Yes.
You got to look long and say, you know what, everything's going to work out, and nothing in this moment is going to affect that.
Got it.
So you keep this, be patient,
Yeah.
everything will work out.
I love it. Perfect. All right, guys. Well, you have been listening to K-Talk Radio, 1640 AM. This is the show, Utah Home Sweet Home. Ned, thank you so much again for joining me today and sharing.
Thank you. It's been fun.
I really appreciate it. I hope everybody out there has a spectacular rest of the day.